everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So what am I wearing for this week? Today I am wearing a Stitch Fix cardigan sweater. I'm wearing it just as a sweater and a pair of Express boyfriend cut jeans and my Sam Edelman loafers. And this is what I am wearing, kicking off the week on Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. And what are my plans for today? Going to the diner with my husband, hopefully cleaning off our dining room chairs, bringing them to the garage and steam cleaning them because they're quite gross. And maybe doing some videoing. And that is it. Take care and see you for another day of what I wore. Hi everyone, it is Monday and today I have something very different from you that you guys have never seen before. So what am I wearing? I am wearing a shawl that my husband got me for Christmas. The only two places my husband shops at are Costco and Sam's, so I can guarantee it was one of those two places that he got it. It is by Banana Republic. It has the emblem and it came in the Banana Republic packaging. It's definitely a shawl. There's no armholes to it whatsoever. It just kind of drapes over you. So I put on my belt with it from Loft. It's a navy blue belt. With it, I paired it with the level 99 pants that I got from Poshmark. Again, these are super stretchy, super comfy. They do have more of a straight versus skinny leg with a little bit of a split here on the side. Underneath, I have paired my Loft ivory turtleneck, and I have on my, who are these by? These are by Steve Madden, my Steve Madden mules that I got 2 years ago in the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And that is my outfit for today. One thing when I was styling this, I realized, because I was looking to say, okay, what haven't I worn yet? I'm like, I have not worn these level 99 pants yet that I got from Poshmark. So I said, well, let me try and do an outfit around these. And that's when I said, you know what? This goes with it. My husband just got me this shawl. I wore it once, but I said, let me wear it again. So now I was like, all right, what do I put underneath it? So styling this made me realize I really need some light blue and more white layering pieces. I really don't have that many, basics like that. So I am on the hunt for those. And that is my outfit today. So this is very different from what you guys are used to seeing me in. And yeah, I thought I'd do it, change it up. Okay, take care and see you another day. Okay, so this is not the next day. This is the same day. And what had happened is that wrap shed all over my pants. And I actually had to roller lint my pants from top to bottom because they were completely furry. And I actually do have to run out to Target after work, and I just had the plain sweater now and the pants. I said, well, what can I do to make this look more like an outfit? I grabbed this scarf that I got from a Wantable a few years back. So yeah, so I threw on the scarf around this, and now I'm kind of more put together to run out to Target. And it's another look, and I thought it was worthy enough to show you guys, okay? All right. That's the last one today. See you tomorrow. Morning, everyone. So today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. In honor of Valentine's Day, I kind of felt the need to dress for it. I do not have plans. My husband just made me cookies, so the house smells delicious. I'm trying to avoid them at this point because it's 7:45 in the morning. So I am going to be jumping on the computer in about 15 minutes and doing my 8 to 5 day, and I'll show you what I'm wearing for this. So in honor of Valentine's Day, I thought I would be a little festive. So these are a pair of like velour leggings that have like a split leg down here at the bottom. I got these at Nordstrom when they were on sale. They're that brand and other stores, and I got them for like 20 bucks. So they weren't a big investment, and they're leggings, so they're very comfortable for working from home. Yes, they look dressy, but in reality, they're not. They're like yoga pants. I paired it with this sweater that I got from Marshall's for $19.99, I believe the price was. And yeah, I think this is an Ellie Tahari, if I'm not mistaken. It has the puff sleeves. I'll come a little closer so you can see the sleeve detail. You see how it has like a knit, and then this part is just ribbed, all right? And that is my outfit. Oh, my shoes are my $35 loafers from Macy's. And that is my Valentine's Day outfit going nowhere. Take care and see you tomorrow for next day's outfit. Hi everyone, today is Wednesday. I actually slept later today, took a later gym class at 6 o'clock, so I am feeling very refreshed and very well this morning. Today, what am I wearing? I am wearing something I have not pulled out of my closet probably in years, and I don't think you guys ever seen it. All right, it is a Stitch Fix top and bottom. The top, I don't know who makes this. I think it's one of their in-house brands. It's a little bit unusual. Maybe it was 41 Hawthorne. I can't say the name. It's a scalloped bottom top here, so there's a scalloped edging here. The sleeves are scalloped along here, and the back has the button detail down the back. I don't know why I haven't pulled for this. I've had this top probably since 2018, and I don't think I've worn it in the last 2 years. No reason why. It's a knit top. It's soft and comfortable. And I don't get rid of my clothes in my closet. Some people say, oh, if you haven't worn it in a year, get rid of it. Why? Why? Unless there's something wrong with it, why are you going to get rid of it? All I would do is then replace it with another burgundy knit top. You know, that's kind of silly. I like this top. I just hadn't pulled for it. So here I am today pulling for it. With it, I have a pair of bottoms that I don't pull for quite often either. They're just casual, very stretchy gray pants. I believe these are by Lila Ryan, also from a Stitch Fix. There's no pockets in the front. It's a flat button, and then there's a faux pockets in the back. Again, very casual. And I, again, paired them with my burgundy loafers today. And this is my outfit from working from home. I'll show you the back again so you can see the button details and how the buttons are all covered down the back. Okay? And see you tomorrow for my next outfit. Hello everyone, it's Thursday and I'm in a great mood. Well, why? Because it's Thursday. 2, it's going to be 67 degrees today. And it is February in New Jersey. Unheard of temps, and I'm not complaining. I'm also pretty excited because I have a Stitch Fix coming today, and I took a little sneakity-peekity, and I like everything I've got. So I'm really looking forward to getting that and trying that on. Tomorrow, I also have a Wantable coming, so I'm a little excited about that. I have no idea what's in that one. And today, what am I wearing? I am wearing a loft sweater. I recently got this sweater. It's part of their spring collection. I'm pretty sure it's still online. It has a crew neck, but it has the scalloping here, which I think is quite pretty. Regular, slightly banded cuff here, slightly banded cuff on the bottom, which I overturn, and these gray colors. And with it, I have also a pair of loft jeans, but these are from a couple years ago. You know, they have the wide leg, the released hem, and I have on my Sam Edelman loafers, and that is what I'm wearing this Thursday. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another outfit. Hi everyone, it is Saturday, and I skipped Friday, but that's okay because you didn't miss anything. It's an outfit that you've already seen before, the loft like cognac brown pants, along with a striped top from LA Made and my black pumps. I went out to dinner for belated Valentine's last night with my husband, and that is what I wore. So I am just skipping to Saturday. What am I wearing today? I am pretty casual today. So first I have on my puffer coat because I just got in from shopping. So this coat is by Bagatelle. It's like an ivory color of faux leather that I got from a Wantable probably 2 years ago for very cheap. And I feel it's still in style, so I wear it. With it, I have on this army green like field jacket that I got from White House Black Market years ago. Just a chambray cast-on top as layering underneath, a white tank. This is a Kendra Scott pendant necklace. Like I said, when things are plain, I feel I need something here to break it up. And my faux leather Spanx and my old pair of Adidas sneakers. And this is the outfit that I wore today to do a little local shopping. Didn't purchase much. What I did purchase, I will share with you. And that was it today. And I did some cleaning, but I was in my pajamas doing the cleaning this morning. So, and this is what I wore today. All right, that is it for this week. Thank you again for returning subscribers. Appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed, why not? I do shopping hauls, try-ons. I try and do an outfit of the week or outfit of the day each week. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.